Good morning, guys. This is Deepak from Decent Institutes. You're most welcome in our channel, Deepak Sir Decent. Today, I'm gonna explain some vocabulary to all of you. Actually, there are so many words which keep same pronunciation in English, but they have different vocabulary in Hindi, as well as they have different spelling. That's why this video is about to be very important for all of you. Let's start. Now coming to the point, we have two words. One is caste, caste, and the meaning of this word is jati, such as Gupta, Sarma, Srivastav, etc. And the part of speech this word is noun. And the second word is caste, caste, and the part of speech this word is also noun, and the meaning of this word is the list of characters of any movie, of any drama. We will take one example of first word is I do not believe in caste of human. Now we will take the second example of second word, that is the cast of Bahubali movie is awesome. Again we have two words. One is story story and the second one is storey story. First word is noun and the meaning of this word is kahani, such as there was a nice story in that book. And the part of speech second word is also noun and the meaning of this word is manzil, such as my friend lives on the second story. Once again we have another two word. One word is current current and the second word is current current. The part of speech of the first word is noun and the meaning of this word is kismis, such as I don't like current but my sister like very much. And the second word is current current and the part of speech of this word is also noun and the Hindi meaning is of this word is वर्तमान की घटनाएं, such as are you studying about current. Again we will understand two word. One word is tasty tasty and the second word is testy tasty. Both are the adjective and the meaning of first word is swadist and the meaning of second word is gussel. Now take one example of first word is that is the food of that restaurant was very delicious. Now take another example of second word is the nature of her father is very tasty. Now we have last two word is one is sign sign and the second word is shine sign. The first word is verb and the meaning of first word is hastakshar karna, in English to sign on the paper, and the second word is shine sign. This word is also a verb and the meaning of this word is chamakna, like to be attract. You will have to sign on the paper. And the second example of the second word is your dressing is signing in the marriage. Thank you so much to watch this video till end. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video and share it with your relatives. We will see you in the next video. Till then, keep supporting, keep loving and take care yourself. Tata bye.